How to turn your coaching framework into a course, step by step. Every coach has a signature method, even if you've never written it down before. It's the way you guide people through change. The steps you repeat, the patterns you recognize, the tools you return to again and again. When you turn that framework into a course, you're not replacing coaching. You're giving people a clear path they can follow with your guidance built in. And the truth is, this process is far simpler than most coaches expect, especially when it's done with intention and clarity. Step 1. Define your signature framework clearly. Every transformation follows a path. You guide clients from problems to progress, even if it feels intuitive. To turn your framework into a course, ask, what stages do my clients move through to create change? A common structure might include awareness, mindset, emotional understanding, action, integration, momentum. Your version may look different, and that's perfect. Once you map this out, your framework becomes your course outline, your modules structure, your teaching pathway. Clarity here makes everything else easier. So, step 2, break the framework into focused modules. Each step of your framework becomes one module. A good module focuses on one shift, not several. For example, awareness and clarity, or it might be inner dialogue, mindset development, action planning, integration and reflection, long-term momentum. Modules don't need to be long, they need to be clear, and they need to be super focused. Clients move forwards faster when the path feels simple. Step 3, turn modules into short, clear lessons. This is where many coaches overthink. You don't need long videos or polished presentations. Your clients want clear insight, guidance, reflection, action. Inside your course, lessons can be short videos, 3 to 8 minutes, audio messages, journaling exercises, worksheets, reflection questions, simple action steps, one lesson, one idea. That's how people learn and integrate best. Step 4, your practical tools that create change. So transformation doesn't happen from watching alone. It happens when clients do the work. Include tools like journaling prompts, worksheets, reflection questions, action planners, habit trackers, weekly challenges. These tools turn your framework into a lived experience. Zenler keeps everything organized so clients always know where to go next. Step 5, add touchpoints to support engagement. Even a self-paced course can feel supportive. You can include optional live calls, community access, Q&A threads, check-in forms, encouragement videos, weekly prompts. These touch points turn your course into a hybrid coaching experience, structured but human. Support keeps clients engaged. Engagement creates results. So step 6, use community to deepen the outcome. Community is optional, but it's so powerful. Inside your course community, clients can share reflections, celebrate wins, ask questions, stay accountable. People grow faster when they learn together. Community increases completion rates and deepens transformations, especially in coaching programs. So now on to step 7. Build the course inside Zenler, right? So we make it super, super easy for you guys to access everything you need for your coaching business. This is where everything comes together. Inside Zenler, you can create your courses, add modules, upload lessons, include worksheets and audios, organize the flow and access levels, connect the community. You don't need design skills, you don't need tech confidence, just clarity and intention. Step 8. Create a clear enrollment experience. A great course needs a simple way to join. Your sales page should be clear and it should clearly explain who the course is for, the transformation that it supports, what's included, your framework, expected outcomes. There should be an FAQ section, one clear call to action, warm, clear, direct, just like your coaching. So step 9, launch softly, then refine. You don't need a big launch. A simple start works best. Share your story, introduce the course, explain the transformation, invite your warm audience, support your first group, improve with feedback. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. That is not an overnight success. This is not an overnight success, but it is repeatable. Step 10, let the course work long term. Once built, your course can be used again and again as a standalone offer, as preparation for group coaching, as support for one-to-one clients, inside a membership, as part of a larger program. Your framework is timeless. Your course becomes the scalable version of your coaching wisdom. If you want to follow this process in detail, read the full guide below. You'll see a link below. And when you're ready to build your coaching business, you can try Zenler for 30 days, absolutely free. Test all the features, follow along with our accelerator program, and you can make your own decision whether you think Zenler is going to help you with your new coaching business.